Hello, my name is Altaf Khan. So today is the 18th day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about how to become a full stack developer. So becoming a full stack developer, so we have to learn about front end development, back end development, and then database things. So front end development, we have to learn basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So basic HTML, we have to learn about that heading tags, paragraph tags, div tags, forms, tables, breaks, images, that type of things we have to learn in the basic HTML. So spend 15 to 20 days to learn the basic HTML. Then spend 10 days for CSS, like how to we can create the margin things, padding things, border radius, flex things, grid things, rows, columns, that type of things we have to learn in the simple CSS or basic CSS. Spend 10 days for basic CSS, then spend 20 to 25 days for JavaScript. Learn basic things of the JavaScript, that how we can manipulate the DOM, how we can make website interactive, how we can make the website interactive with the user clicks, all the things we can learn in the basic JavaScript. Then go for HTML again, then learn advanced HTML 5 to 10 days, then advanced CSS like media query, which is used to we used to make the responsive websites for mobiles, tablet, and laptops. And then we learn about the animation things in the CSS. So this is the advanced things. Don't go for mastery. Just learn basic some advanced things. Not go for mastery and learn everything in one go. So firstly, learn advanced things, simple advanced things in the CS. Then come back to JavaScript. Then learn something of JavaScript, like fetching APIs, responses, and on the responses of the JavaScript, manipulating the DOM or for each functions, like that of time higher order functions of JavaScript, and catching uh, the element has value, form has value, input value. You can learn in the basic JavaScript. Then go for the making a simple dynamic pages or dynamic website pages, which is used to make a basic project. So first of all, make 2 to 5 project in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript for front end, and then switch for backend development. So for backend development, we have many choices. So you can use Python as a framework, Django for backend development. You can use JavaScript as Node.js for creating backend, like creating server, making APIs, making interacting with databases, and the type of things we have to learn in the backend development. So you can use Python as Django, JavaScript and Node.js, and Java has Spring Boot. So that type of things we have to learn in the backend development. So choose wisely your programming language if you want to become a full stack developer with only JavaScript. So learn only JavaScript, then it can be used for front end and back end. Both work can be done only the JavaScript. But if you want to learn the Java, then go for Spring Boot and learn the type of things, that how to make APIs, how to create servers, and how to interact with databases. So these type of things we have to learn in the backend development. Then become a part of the full stack development, which is a database. So for databases, we have 2 choices: NoSQL database or SQL database. For NoSQL database, you can use MongoDB. So MongoDB is easy and very beginner friendly. So you can use MongoDB for NoSQL database. If you want to use SQL database, so you can use MySQL, things like. So Microsoft has MySQL is best database for SQL database. So learn basic things of Python or JavaScript or Java. So for backend development. So if these are all are complete, so make 10 to 12 project in the backend with the backend or full stack app with the databases and backend. So for this, you can use your backend language. You can use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After that, if you want to learn a front-end framework, you can use you can learn like front-end framework. That there is many, but in the popularity of the market are some of the popular are they like React.js, Next.js, or Vue.js that are trending in the market. So you can learn front-end framework. So for front-end framework, I recommend learn React because its community is wide and it's very useful and demanding technology or framework. So that type of things you have to learn. So this is all about the how to become a full stack developer. So you can become a full stack developer in 5 to 6 months, and you can become a job ready full stack developer in only 5 to 6 months. So that's all about the full stack development. So thank you.